Welcome to our exploration of famous chemists who transformed the world of science. Throughout history, brilliant minds have dedicated their lives to understanding the fundamental nature of matter and energy. These pioneers laid the foundation for modern chemistry through groundbreaking discoveries, revolutionary theories, and tireless experimentation. Their contributions continue to impact our daily lives, from the medicines we take to the materials we use. Let's begin our journey through the lives and achievements of these extraordinary scientists. Antoine Lavoisier was born in 1743 in Paris, France, and is widely known as the father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier revolutionized chemistry by introducing systematic experimental methods and precise measurement techniques. He lived during a turbulent period in French history and tragically died in 1794 during the French Revolution. His most significant contribution was the law of conservation of mass, which states that matter cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reactions. He also discovered oxygen and explained its crucial role in combustion, fundamentally changing our understanding of how substances burn and react. Lavoisier's work transformed chemistry from a collection of observations into a true science. He established the law of conservation of mass through careful weighing and measurement of chemical reactions, proving that the total mass remains constant before and after reactions. He named oxygen and demonstrated that it combines with substances during burning, disproving the old phlogiston theory. Lavoisier also reformed the chemical nomenclature system, creating a logical naming system for chemical compounds that we still use today. His meticulous experiments proved that matter is neither created nor destroyed, only transformed, which became a cornerstone principle of chemistry. Marie Curie stands as one of the most remarkable scientists in history. Born Maria Skłodowska in 1867 in Warsaw, Poland, she later moved to France where she conducted her groundbreaking research. Curie died in 1934 in Passy, France, from complications related to her extensive exposure to radiation. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields: physics in 1903 and chemistry in 1911. Her pioneering research focused on radioactivity, and she discovered two new elements: polonium, named after her homeland Poland, and radium. Marie Curie broke numerous barriers and achieved extraordinary scientific milestones. She became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, opening doors for women in science worldwide. Even more remarkably, she became the first and only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different sciences, demonstrating her exceptional brilliance. Curie developed the theory of radioactivity, coining the term itself, and conducted extensive research on radioactive elements. During World War I, she created mobile X-ray units, known as petites curies, which brought radiological equipment to field hospitals, saving countless lives by helping doctors locate bullets and shrapnel in wounded soldiers. Linus Pauling was an American chemist born in 1901 in Portland, Oregon. He lived a long and productive life, passing away in 1994 in Big Sur, California. Pauling is known as the master of chemical bonding for his revolutionary work in understanding how atoms bond together to form molecules. Like Marie Curie, he won two Nobel Prizes: the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1954 for his research on chemical bonds, and the Nobel Peace Prize in 1962 for his activism against nuclear weapons testing. His work on chemical bonding and protein structure laid the foundation for modern molecular biology and biochemistry. Linus Pauling made numerous groundbreaking contributions to chemistry and biology. He developed the theory of chemical bonding and introduced the concept of electronegativity, which explains how strongly atoms attract electrons in chemical bonds. This work helped scientists understand and predict how molecules form and behave. Pauling discovered the alpha helix structure in proteins, one of the fundamental shapes that protein molecules adopt, which was crucial for understanding protein function. He pioneered the concept of molecular disease by showing that sickle cell anemia results from a molecular defect in hemoglobin. Beyond science, Pauling became a passionate advocate for nuclear disarmament and world peace, using his fame to promote humanitarian causes. Dmitri Mendeleev was a Russian chemist born in 1834 in Tobolsk, Russia, and died in 1907 in St. Petersburg. He is best remembered as the creator of the periodic table of elements, one of the most important organizing principles in all of science. Mendeleev developed the periodic law, which states that the properties of elements repeat periodically when arranged by increasing atomic weight. His genius lay not just in organizing the known elements, but in recognizing patterns that allowed him to predict the existence and properties of elements that had not yet been discovered, leaving gaps in his table for these unknown substances. Mendeleev's periodic table represented a monumental achievement in chemistry. He organized 63 known elements by their atomic weights and chemical properties, revealing patterns that had never been recognized before. Remarkably, he left gaps in his table for elements he predicted must exist but had not yet been discovered, even describing what their properties should be. His predictions were spectacularly confirmed when gallium and germanium were discovered with properties almost exactly as Mendeleev had described. The periodic table became the foundation for modern chemistry and element classification, helping scientists understand atomic structure, predict chemical behavior, and discover new elements. Element 101, Mendeleevium, was named in his honor. The scientists we have explored today represent just a few of the many brilliant minds who built the foundation of modern chemistry. Lavoisier taught us about conservation of mass and systematic experimentation. Marie Curie opened the door to understanding radioactivity and broke barriers for women in science. Linus Pauling revealed the secrets of chemical bonds and protein structures. Dmitri Mendeleev organized the elements and predicted the existence of unknown substances. Together, these pioneers transformed our understanding of matter, energy, and the natural world through their groundbreaking discoveries and revolutionary theories. Their legacy continues to inspire new generations of scientists who build upon their work to solve the challenges of today and tomorrow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.